I had 2 leftover hard-boiled eggs and 1 leftover breakfast sausage from the day before. I mashed my eggs, but you might find it easier to do it this way instead. Cutting the hard-boiled egg into slices will make it easier when you flip it inside the corn tortilla in the pan so that it doesn't come out everywhere. I also had some leftover Spanish olives, so I had to cut them around the pit because these were not pitted. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I don't like to waste any food, so I always use leftovers to create something entirely new. I had these corn tortillas in the freezer, and yes, I saved them from when I had gone out to a restaurant. My Nana taught me not to waste, as she is somebody who went through the Great Depression. My Nana is a very wise person. At the time of this video, she's still alive today at 103 years old. These were absolutely delicious. For a great dinner recipe, watch this video next. The link is below. Crispy and cheesy. The briny taste of the olives in combination with the cheese is absolutely outstanding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.